Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I am in this video, I will be discussing a new question which I got from my audience. So let's get started on the question I have today. So the question is, hi Ali, just launched my first Google Ads nationwide campaign. Congratulations. It's for a paving company. There are a couple of problems I am facing, looking for insights. I have lots of experience in this niche and trade specifically. The client is only interested in clients that want multiple properties paved. Think Target, Walmart, Dollar General. Obviously, that's something that's very difficult to do, and I have communicated that with the client. However, I have done my best to accommodate. They don't want to advertise that they provide free estimates, and they want zero residential work. Asphalt paving is a pretty broad service, and the only way to really target commercial is to include commercial in the ad copy and create campaigns that must include either parking lot or commercial related terms. Obviously, this impacts search volume significantly, and it should be. Anyway, the campaign is converting uh, pretty poorly compared to so for local companies, we can achieve 30 to 40% fairly consistently. This account has a reasonable CPA, but the conversion rate is 5%. I like to improve this. My thoughts on the super low conversion rate is that we are advertising as a nationwide company, and I think that may be a turn off to a lot of people because they did rather hire local and they think it will cost a lot more. We also have a pretty long form. The client requested this to pre-qualify the leads. Our call to action is pretty boring for my taste. Request an assessment, but again, the client thinks offering free estimates will lead to cheap customers. Okay, now that is a long question. Another reason I think maybe the problem is that a lot of the traffic is seeking residential work. It's pretty clear that we don't want to do that on the page. So I think that's causing a lot of traffic to bounce. It's just weird for me. I'm usually always trying to make it as easy as possible for searchers to call or submit a form, and it's almost like the client wants me to make it difficult because they don't want one-off jobs. They want clients with multiple projects, but that's pretty difficult to do since most of the customers will be searching for paving companies or parking lot paving near me. Anyway, it's not like people are looking for paving companies for multi-property portfolios. Anyways, what would you be looking at this scenario? Should we target commercial only traffic and erase 90% of search volume? Should we target markets individually as a local, or should I just accept the fact that a national account will perform differently than a local account and continue to optimize per usual? Thanks in advance. So that's a pretty long question. Here are a few of my suggestions. First of all, uh, create call campaigns. Okay, create call campaigns. That works like a charm. So my recommendation is to work on creating calls campaign. Second is to create local Google search map ads. Okay, what happens is it's been being shown on when someone searches on the map. So that's pretty very good in a local. And if you think that creating showing yourself as a local company works good, so then you can have a different landers or a different landing pages for each area with customized details and everything. So you can show yourself as a uh, local company instead of a nationwide company to them. That will also help you. But there is another thing which I like people to emphasize on is to work on your landing page. Most of the companies work on their campaign side more, but they left on their landing page. So my recommendation is to work on your landing page. That would be a pretty solid advice I can give to anyone who is in a situation like yours. My recommendation is to work on your landing page. Okay, once you work on your landing page, this will help you in improving your campaign. Now that's your question regarding the intent of the traffic. When you say you can look around on commercial keywords, I agree. If you, in case if your all of your if all your goal is to work on commercial traffic, you are fine. Do focus on commercial keywords, work around on your search terms, and guys, work strongly on your analytical traffic to see from which keywords or which queries people are coming, which area, location, timings are working. So There is a lot more than keywords and landing page in your campaigns, like your peak timings, when you are getting the most of the sale. Advertise on those timings, peak days, focus on those days. See a trend, like uh, if you get more customers in start of the month, or in a last of the month, see the trend where you are getting the trend. So that can also help you to look around on the trend. And then one thing we are right now lacking in your campaign is that you do not have much focus on your competitors. So look around your competitor strategies. You can use SEM Rush or any other paid tool to get sort out what your competitors are doing, and that can also help you in seeing out where you are lacking, how, what kind of ads they have, what kind of landing pages they have. And as you said that you are using a pretty long form, and I also agree with you over here that using a too much long form is not going to work. And this is where your call support has to work around. To make it more attractive, the landing page should be as short as possible without much scrolling, should have CTS, call to action, so that people can qualify for a first scenario. And that is where the sales process begins. And when they call up, and then you can pre-qualify the leads on the call. Why you are deciding on early that these leads are cheap leads? So decide the quality of the lead on the call. In case if the lead is cheap, then you can cancel it or forward it to third party, have a contact, or you can do it on your own. But deciding the quality of the lead before getting the lead is something I would disagree with your honor over here, and agree with you over here. So let the phone agent, call agent, decide the quality of the lead, and your job is to get as much lead as possible. You can work around on your commercial keywords, look around your competitive strategies, and that could help you in creating an awesome campaign. So I hope this answer your long question. So guys, in case if you're looking for a professional help in your Google Ads campaign, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will make sure to create an amazing Google Ads campaign for you. So and in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.